I'm going to be reviewing the new Galaxy S laptop, the 13-inch one. I believe this is the first series of Samsung's mobile laptops. They're quite portable. So let's go and have a look at what's in the box. It comes in a nice white box. I've opened it already. This actually belongs to my partner because he works in accounting, and I got the Mac, which I've reviewed in a previous video, but the Mac has does not have the Windows, does not operate with Windows, and he wanted something that had Windows on it. So we got the Samsung, and it's quite light, very thin. Take it off from the plastic again. We've done that before. I've had to put it back just for the purpose of the video. This came in yesterday. So it's a gray one, mercury gray. You can get it in gold color as well, and currently is on sales on Samsung website for £849. So it has the charging cables, the plug, and the good thing about the Samsung is the lightweight that it has. It's actually lighter than my Mac Pro. And the other benefit of this one is that you can have your finger touch screen, your finger to turn it on or one, and it recognizes your finger. Also, it has nice keyboard and a touch screen that you can use. This one is 8 GB memory and 512 storage. You can have it bigger or extend it bigger, but that's the one that we got. And you can also sync in your mobile. It also has the new Samsung 20 FC, the fan edition, and he's been able to sync that in so that all his work on his phone can automatically come onto the laptop, and also is able to pick up calls on his laptop as well. So there's great connectivity between the laptop. Also with his Samsung watch, he's able to program everything together if he wants, and he can receive calls on any of the devices, the Samsung phone or the laptop, or even from his Samsung watch. So Samsung is creating a whole range of products, and they are quite good for the price at which they're selling. We've not had it for long, like I said, it's only just come in, so I won't be able to say how durable it is. And this is the first one we are using, unlike the Mac that we've had before. With members of my family have been using Mac Pro for years, and they found it very durable. But with Samsung things, I've used their phone for several years, and I say they are actually good technology as well. They have so thin and light in the width. You can see is actually smaller than the Mac Pro, and it goes into a nice pouch for you to move about. So it's quite portable, and it's something that I would recommend as well for people who need to use Windows laptop. Thank you for watching my review on the new Samsung S Galaxy, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.